Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on single-member LLC versus multi-member LLC, including the benefits, key differences, and important requirements to help you decide which structure is right for your business. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I would be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39, saving you both time and money. Now, let's jump right into it. When deciding between a single-member LLC and multi-member LLC, it's crucial to understand the differences. Both structures are designed to protect your personal assets from business liabilities, which is key for any business owners. Now, here are the things that you should consider. Number 1, ownership and tax filing. A single-member LLC is owned by one individual only, while a multi-member LLC has 2 or more owners. If you are a single owner, your LLC is treated as a sole proprietorship for tax purposes. This means you'll file your business income on Schedule C as part of your personal tax return due on April 15th, as you can see right here. In contrast, if you're part of a multi-member LLC, you'll need to file a separate tax return using Form 1065, which is this one, which is due on March 15th. Each member also receives Schedule K-1, detailing their share of their profits or losses. Understanding this timelines is essential, as many people mistakenly think all taxes are due in April. And now number 2, record keeping and documentation. Both types of LLC require you to maintain accurate records of income and expenses. However, the complexity increases with multi-member LLC. You'll need to appoint a tax matters partner responsible for filing the tax returns and ensuring that all members provide necessary documentations such as social security number, ownership percentages, and capital contributions. For single-member LLCs, it is much simpler. You'll keep track of your income and expenses on your own. Having a clear documentation process in place will help you avoid headaches come tax season. And now number 3 is confidentiality. A significant difference lies in confidentiality. Single-member LLCs are classified as disregarded entities for federal tax purposes, meaning your personal social security number will often be used for business transactions. This could expose your personal information, which is a concern for many business owners. On the other hand, a multi-member LLC requires an employer identification number, or EIN, which can help maintain your privacy since you won't have to provide your social security number for business purposes. This allows for greater confidentiality and helps safeguard your personal information. So if you're considering forming your LLC, I highly recommend checking out Northwest Registered Agent so that you can avoid all of the hassles and headaches that comes with forming your LLC. They offer a straightforward service to help you form your LLC. They will do all of the heavy lifting for you. And for just $39, you will now be able to avail their formation service for your LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. So click the link in the description below to get started. So in conclusion, whether you choose a single-member LLC or a multi-member LLC depends on your specific needs as a business owner. Understanding the key differences can help you make an informed decision that protects your assets and streamlines your tax obligations. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content. And if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to comment in the comment section below. This is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.